The car wash. We're out in the garden. So, the Alpha was working, but it's not working anymore. But the machine is working. It had a, it has a little MUX board which controls a few things, and it had a blown fuse. Simple as that. This is a free pickup, and it's currently outside. It's been rained on. It's still working. Well, I can see I've got a so that's £2.40. Oh, that's auto nudge. Wait, what number have I got? A bonus, yes. So auto nudge.
Groovy. Get it on.
Get it on. £4. No. This is 10:30 at night. They're playing in Tony's garden. Oh, we've got part of the street. Some of the bulbs and some of the maskings fell because the machine was lying on its back for a week. Bonus. Taxi. Oh, what do I want? Real pressure? Is that like a real roulette? Oh. Oh, that was me. I pressed down and then I've turned the machine into real play mode. And now I've just cancelled real play mode because the door isn't closed. In real play mode, it does alarm. Oh well. So yes, don't press it down hard. So this is literally just a first plays demonstration. I will do a proper video. Is that a 1? It is. Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
Don't press down hard, because you will hit the door switch. So I can't actually hold it when I press the hold button. So yes, this is definitely a scuffed video. I just want to show you. Here's what I do. Do a proper video tomorrow, hopefully. It's not the Alpha, we don't think, because the Alpha was working initially, and I've since tried a different Alpha, and it's not working with the other Alpha either. Bonus.
Get it on.
Get it on! Board activated. £3, no. So I've got 3 nudges. So white, but I can't see any of the things with the Alpha, so I might. Nah, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, one sec. Two nudges, no numbers. I do like the symbols.
Get it on.
Get it on! What's that mean? Just let him
You're the
spin.
man.
You're the man!
Groovy.
Ooh, fuck. Lower. Let's go lower again. If you was out in your garden now at 12% at night, you'd be like, what the fuck is that sound? It sounds like someone's playing a fruit machine, but that can't be the case. No, it is. I'm going to hold them. No, I'm not. Oh, I will hold those. hold on when I do that. 4 nudges. There's no auto nudge or collect. So 1. Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
2.
Get it on.
£1.50. We'll go higher. 6 with a bonus. Swap number. Wipe down. That uses this, I wouldn't try that one. So 4 nudges is the plums. So I could exchange over auto nudge, and then I'll get the bonus.
Groovy.
Car wash. So I think if you like those, you get the streak or something, I don't know. We'll go lower. 6 bonus. Swap number. Can I exchange? I can't. Or maybe I can. Oh, I can now. I'm going to exchange over because I've got a bonus. 8 nudges. Swap number. Right. So could I collect the 8 nudges and take the bonus back on this side? 8 nudges will be... Oh yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. So if we auto nudge, that should give me pairs. Oh no, melons.
Groovy. Hey, baby, what's
Super
going
6. That's, you can't lose on a 6, I think. Super shine. Oh, on a 5. Quick dry. The problem is with the Alpha, I don't know any of the features. This doesn't play, this is in obviously demo mode. This doesn't play particularly friendly. There's a Siamese cat visitor. Hello. I've got joint ash all over my machine. So yeah, I got this machine for free. And so far it's taken 1 fuse. I like the symbols. Also, I kind of like playing fruit machines outside in summer. It's kind of nice. It's MPE free as well, so probably MPE 5 rather. It'll survive. This could probably live out here all summer. I bet you it'd still work.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord. It's not very friendly though. Close this door. Yeah. System 5 club machine. Not club machine, quiz machine, I think. Cab that we need to destroy. All sorts of weird and wonderful things here. Oh, okay, so you can leave it, it'll do it on its own. Lower. Higher. 6 with a bonus. Car wash. So I guess I've got to take...
Groovy. Get it on.
Get it on! Oh, a £5. Do we go on a 6? Okay. Got the bonus.
Hey, baby, what's
Super
going on?
6. So the features, if you don't take them, they go red. That's pretty cool, actually. So I could exchange over for 6 nudges. Do you think that red 7's there? That's our 7 as well, so that's no good. Let's go high. We'll exchange over now, so we've got a bonus. So let's... Oh no, I can't now. I can't exchange. Of course, because it's not lit. Right, on 9, let's go lower.
Praise the Lord.
Do. Very deliberate spin. Oh, I wonder how you get these. I bet you that's going to be those symbols in the middle, isn't it? Yeah, those. Oh yeah, I just realised there's a lot of lamps out on the rails. But luckily the wind line is lit. Actually, to say that, virtually every other bulb is fully functional.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord. So this is a YouTube first. This machine does not exist on YouTube. There is an emulated video, but that's emulation. It's not the same, is it? Wind spin. Groovy. Higher. Bonus. No lose. Lower. So I could exchange over, but exchange over because got the 11. Real shuffle. This is going to be a yes, no. So I guess I chose yes. Right. Right, little shit. I guess I should auto nudge it because I got the 1. Gives me the bonus.
Get it on.
Get it on. The music on this machine is weird. It's like so all over the place. It's kind of cool though. It's offering me that 5 a few times. Go on then, die.
Praise the Lord.
Numbers. Fast spins with no numbers. There we go. Change number. Seems to give you that every time. Ooh. I guess I'll auto nudge that to get the exchange over.
Get it on.
Waterworks. See, I want to do the features, I really do, but I can't until I've got an alpha. I don't want to spoil them or ruin them. Right, so I've got no exchange, I've just got to go. Car wash. Do I want to exchange over for nudges? Because that could then get me the lemons, which no. But yeah, because fuck it. Has anybody ever heard of this machine before? Played this machine? Have any memories of this machine? I've obviously never played this before. no £5 decal for the side, unfortunately. It does have the £5 decal from here. Weirdly, it had the £25 decal in here and the £5 decal in here. So whoever was playing it before was probably confused as fuck. But luckily, in the bottom of the machine, right in the corner, I saw that. But there is no other decal. The volume is set nice and loud. Probably a bit late for nearly 11 o'clock in the evening outside. Well, it's not 11 yet. I think it's... I have no idea what time it is. About 11 o'clock. Lower. Higher. Bonus. Real shuffle. Yes. No, we don't know. Because we haven't got an alpha. Ooh. So that's 2 nudges. But these ones below. Lower. 7. Oh, that's not good. Let's just risk it. Pushed it a bit far there, I guess. The da-da-dun, da-da-dun sound is quite frustrating. I don't like that. The trail held. It should be a nice... You've got to be prepared to listen to the sound over and over. Sorry, I have to use... Because I've got to hold the door up when I press those buttons. When I push it down, it will reset the machine.
Praise the Lord.
I haven't had step down or skill shot yet. So they seem to be pretty rare. Lower. Bonus.
Get it on.
Also, there's some of these bonuses I've just not had yet. Higher. Lower. Higher. Swap number. 3 shots. I like the way that they go into bigger amounts after 8 nudges. Let's risk it. Ooh, do we go for 10 nudges? Let's do it. Yep. 2 shots. The 5er. I don't know what it's offering me right now. I think the light must be out here. Fuck it, let's risk it. I knew that was a risk. I've not seen this machine's jackpot tune or anything. Yeah, the price was right. That's basically pretty much all I can say, really. I mean, clearly this machine's not the best machine in the world, but hey, it's all right. It's a machine. I'm having fun. Well, I was until that happened. Weirdly as well, this one button here, it's like the decal on it is really badly like sun bleached, but every other decal is like fresh. It's like this one was exposed to really bad fading. It's really weird. I can't figure out why just that one button. Very deliberate spin every now and then. It's getting chilly.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord. It seems if you leave it, it seems to give you 1 nudge. I don't know if that's a trick or a 7. And I've got 2 nudges, so there's no win to... I just got to go, haven't I? Why is the machine getting worse, like more unhappy? I'm losing. I haven't won a thing. I was getting up to like £7 earlier. Now I can't get up to £2. This machine has a percentage key that's set to 74%. So I don't know if in demo mode it plays to that 74%. But obviously that's quite Bonus.
Get it on.
Keeps offering me a fiver up here as well. It's offering me that same fiver, a shitload. I see. So the red bulb is out here. Right, let's hire. I think this will be alright. Play it for a week, a month, whatever, a few months. Maybe move it on, because I only have space for 24 machines and a pusher. I don't know if this one would make the cut. But we'll see. I've not really played it properly yet.
Get it on.
It's that same fiver. See, it wants to give me that fiver. Ooh. Oh. You can only nudge down, it seems, I've noticed. 5 nudges. It's almost certainly got the oranges. Could exchange over on a 1, but we'll exchange over when we need to. So I think this will go out, and then the lamp behind it is dead. Right. I've kind of got to take the nudges here and go over for the 10, I think. And that'll take me to £2. Fuck it, let's do it. Auto nudge. Push me over here. Oh, a red version of that, but I haven't got the alpha. Oh. Oh, Super 6. Yeah, you see, so that the red bulb is out on that. Higher. Bonus. Stop. Oh. Oh, nice. Double buff. 10 nudges. I can exchange over for 10 nudges. Let's go lower. 7. I'm on a 9 now. And I can't exchange over when I've got a bonus there. Yeah.
Praise the Lord.
Okay, so 6 nudges. I can see I've got the lemons higher, lower, 10. I'll exchange over because I've got the bonus. Oranges.
Moving. Get it on.
Activate the board. Two shots. Oh, £7. £1.50. Can I exchange? Yes. Swap number. Didn't really give me a safe number though, did it? I've kind of got to take that, so that's going to get me the grapes. But I need to transfer away from the 7. Oh, plums. Oh, we get a bit of a streak ad. I think it's going to kill me. Oh no. Can I exchange? I can exchange to a bonus. But I'm on a 10. I'm going to exchange over to the bonus. Right, I'm going to auto nudge back over to the side after all. So what's that going to be? Okay, not terrible. But I have gone back down. Red phone party. Well, yeah. Can't get past that £7, can I? It's pretty fun though. It's actually a pretty fun machine. I'm starting to have a bit of fun. pretty fun. So, or you can exchange, so you can.
Get it on.
I wish the board was activated like always. Fuck it. Well, shit, I just realised I've been doing this for 20 minutes. Fucking hell.
Praise the Lord.
Right. Okay. Starting to get happier now, though. Ugh, I say that. Oh, it's because of the red sevens. Yeah. I was probably actually one gamble off getting the 15 quid. Yeah, I'm actually quite interested to play this in real money mode once it's had time to settle down and see how it plays. Probably up the percentage from 74% though. So how many nudges do I need? I need 3. Okay, so that gives me the safe auto nudge to go over.
Prove it.
Alright. I can't even play the credits out because I haven't got any credits or an alpha to show. Alright. We'll play for one more board. One more board. So let's make it count. Yeah, I can't be playing this all night. Well, I can. But I'm not going to. This is alright. I'm not saying it's the best game in the world, but this is alright. It's going to live outside overnight tonight. And you know what? I'll be able to turn it on in the morning and it'll still work. If this was a System 80, no chance. I think I've actually run out of credits. Well, there you go. Oh, no, we did say one more board. One more board, one more board. One more board. Right, this will be it.
Praise the Lord.
If somebody's outside, they're like, what are you fuck's talking about praising the Lord? I didn't think it was going to take me 12 years to get one more board. Oh, could have held them more.
Praise the Lord.
Wing spin, here we go. That's one more board. Alright. So higher. Bonus. Stopper. Lower. We'll auto nudge over because we've got the 11 or we can't. Because we're not on nudges, we're on cash. Higher. Lower. Did us. Well, there you go. That's a bit of Vivid MPU5 car wash. As you can see, that's indoor open mode. As you can see, the door's open. You might never have seen inside one of these machines. This is what it looks like. But yeah. So still a bit of work to do. Got to figure out what's going on with this alpha. I don't think it's the alpha because the alpha was working at first. I've tried another alpha over there and that's not working either. So maybe there's a connection loose with a wire. Maybe got some water in it because I don't know. Well, whatever. Anyway, that's enough for this video. I'll do a proper video on this in the future. I've got obviously a couple of decals that have fell down, and as you can see, this plate has come away from the thing because the machine was lying on its back for a week, so it's kind of pulled with the mask away, but that can be fixed. Anyway, right, that's it. I will see you again, hopefully with another video with it in real money mode, working and playing. So, yeah, see you later. Bye.